Okay, welcome again mga ka-millennials. So this time ang topic natin ay joint and combined variations, no? So ano bang difference ng dalawa? Ang joint variation is a combination of direct variations, meaning it's a direct variation consisting of three or more variables. Whereas ang combined variations naman ay pinagsamang direct at saka inverse variation. Okay? So yun lang pinagkaiba ng dalawang yun. Okay? So, wag na natin patagalin to. Subscribe ka muna. Okay, thank you. Start na tayo. Okay, let's start with joint variation. If x varies jointly with y and the square root of z, and x equals negative 18 when y is 2 and z equals 9, find y when x equals 10 and z equals 4. Okay, so you are given x varies jointly with y and the square root of z. Ganyan lang yan, di ba? Pagka varies jointly, combination of direct variation. Now, let us substitute the given values. We have negative 18. We have to solve for k first, and then y is 2 when z is 9. Okay, so we have negative 18 is equal to k times 2 times 3, no? Square root of 9 is 3. So, negative 18 is equal to k times 6. And then, we divide both sides by 6. Therefore, k is negative 3. Di ba? So, what is our equation? So, the equation of variation is, substitute lang dito, x is equal to k times y times square root of z. Okay? Now, we have to find y when x is 10 and z is 4. Okay? So, direct substitution lang uli. We have x equals 10. Okay? K is negative 3 times y. Okay? Yung hinahanap natin. Okay? And then, times the square root of and the square root of z. Okay? Oops, sorry. This is c, no? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we have 10 is equal to negative 3 y square root of 4. Okay, so sinubstitute lang natin, no? So we have 10 is equal to negative 3 y times square root of 4 is 2. Okay, now this is equal to 10 is equal to negative 6y. Okay, and then we divide both sides by negative 6. Negative 6. Therefore, y is negative, reduce to lowest term, divide both by 2, 5 over 3. Okay, so that's it for y. Easy, no? Okay, let's now go to combined variation. If y varies directly as x and inversely as c, and y equals 5 when x equals 3 and z equals 4, find y when x c and z equals 8. Parang ang hirap, ano? Pero hindi. Simple lang yan, no? So, we have, basta susundin nyo lang yung sinasabi sa problem, okay? So, y varies directly as x and inversely as z, okay? So, pagka varies directly sa taas, pagka inversely sa baba. Yun lang yun, okay? And y equals 5, substitute lang. When x is 3 and z is 4. Okay? So, we have 5 is equal to 3k over 4, no? So, nilipat ko lang dito, no? So, let's cross multiply. 3k is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 3. So, k is 20 over 3. Okay, equation of variation would be substitute k. Okay, so y is equal to 20 over 3x over z. Okay, wala na ako ng tinta. Okay, now, if you take a look at the equation, mukhang masyado siyang komplikado, no? We can simplify this, no? By bringing down 3 here, no? Pwede nyo gawin yon. Kapag meron kayong fraction sa numerator, you can bring down the denominator here. So we can rewrite this as 20x over 3z na lang. Okay? So, di ba, mas simple yan. Okay? So, our equation becomes 20x over 3z. Okay? Oh, let us now substitute x equals 6 and z equals 8 to solve for y, no? So, y now is equal to, kaya pa yan, 20 times 6 over 3 times 8. Diba? Okay? O, nababasa pa naman, ano? Okay? Okay, now, tingnan yung gagawin ko, no? I will not multiply this, no? Bakit? Because I will apply the cancellation method, no? Remember, kapag nagmumultiply kayo ng fraction, do not multiply. Apply the cancellation method to simplify it, no? O, tingnan nyo, ha? So, we can cancel 6 and 3. We can divide both by 3. So, this becomes 2. Ito, magiging 1, diba? And then, divide 20 and 8. We can divide both by 4. So, this is 5. And this is 2. Diba? O, ano nangyari? Pwede pa rin makancel ang 2 and 2. Ang natira na lang 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Okay? So, ganun lang, no? O, nakaiwas tayo sa malaking number. Diba? That's it. Of course, hindi tayo pwede matapos ng walang fractions, no? So, if y varies jointly as x and z, and inversely as the square of w, and y equals 12 over 5, when x is 16, z equals 3, and w equals 5, find y when x is 8, z equals 1, and w is 2. Okay? So, we have y varies jointly as x and z, diba? And inversely as the square of w. Okay? Now, we substitute the given values. Y is 12 over 5 when x is 16. Okay, z is 3 and w is 5. So that's 5 squared. Okay, so let us simplify further. We have 12 over 5 is equal to, this is 48, okay, over 25. Oh, now, if you notice, no, minultiply ko yung 16 and 3 kasi wala naman tayong makakancel. We have no choice, no? And then, for me, in this case, mas madali siyang i-bracket, no? We multiply it by the LCD. So, let us multiply both sides by 25. You know why? Kasi if I cross-multiply, I will end up with 25 times 12, which is a very big number, no? That's 350, I think, no? So, kung iba-bracket na lang natin to, we can avoid those numbers, no? So, 25 divided by 5, oh, you divide first before you multiply, ha? Para hindi siya lalaki. 25 divided by 5 is 5, times 12 is 60. Dito natin ilagay, okay? Is equal to 25 divided by 25 is 1 times 48k, 48k, o, diba? And then we divide both by 48, okay? O, yan, no? So, k now is what? So, we divide, reduce the lowest term by dividing both by 6, diba? Pwede siya by 6. So, that is 10 over 8. Okay, so pwede pa. Divide by 2. So, that's 5 over 4. Okay, so k is equal to 5 over 4. Okay. Oh, now, what is the equation of variation? So, the equation of variation is y is equal to 5 over 4 xc w squared. So again, no, just like kanina, sabi ko, to simplify the equation, you can bring down 4 here. So we can write this as 5xc all over 4w squared. Okay? Let us now solve for y when x is 8, z equals 1, and w equals 2. So, hindi nyo na makikita yun, ano? Nasa itaas na, kaya binasa ko na lang. Okay, so, y is equal to 5, x is 8, z is 1, and W is 2. Okay, so 4 times 2 squared. Okay, so we have uh, so hindi ko i-multiply yung 40, no? 5 and 8 lang yan. Okay, tapos i-multiply ko tong dalawa. We have 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so alam niyo ba kung bakit? Because I'm going to cancel this out, no? So we can divide both by 8. This becomes 1 and this becomes 2. Diba? So it's much easier, right? So y now is equal to 5 over 2. Okay? So yan yung mga tip ko sa fractions, no, na hindi niyo dapat kalimutan. Okay? So y now is equal to 5 over 2 and that's it. Okay? Okay, of course, meron tayong try this, bagong segment sa ating tutorial. So sige, I'll give you 3 minutes lang ha. Okay? So you may start now. Time is up. So let us solve together. Tingnan natin kung tumama kayo. So x varies directly as cube of y. Oh, nawawala na. And inversely as the square root of z. Matay tayo dyan. Okay, so let us solve for k when x is 7, y is 2. I need to change my marker, no? Sorry po. Okay, and z equals 4. Okay, so 7 is equal to k, 2 cube is 8, and square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so ituloy natin dito. So we have 7 is equal to 8 over 2 is 4, so 4k, no? And then we divide both by 4. Therefore, k is 7 over 4. So now, what is our equation of variation. Substitute lang yung k dito. So we have x is equal to 7 over 4 y cube over square root of z. Diba? Now again, as I said a while ago, to simplify the equation, you can bring down the denominator here para mas simple, no? So we now have 7y cubed all over 4 square root of z. O, diba? Mas simple yan. Okay? So let us now solve for x when y is 3 and z is 9, no? So x now is equal to 7, y is 3, so that's 3 cubed over 4 times square root of 9. Okay, so this is equal to 7, 3 cubed is 27 all over 4 times 3. Okay, oh, you can cancel 27 and 3, di ba? So this is 9, this is 1. So our final answer is 9 times 7 is 63 over 4. Therefore, x is 63 over 4. Okay, yun lang, no? Oh, did you get the same answer? Okay, so if you did not, so just keep on watching, no? Ulit-ulitin nyo lang yung video until na makuha ninyo, no? Practice makes perfect, yun lang yun, no? So, that's it for now. So after this, I'm going to make a video on yung application application to real life situations, meaning problem solving, no? I know yun ang weaknesses ng mga karamihan, no? So maybe in 2 or 3 days I'll be able to upload that video, so you better watch out for that, no? Okay, so for the meantime, share, like and subscribe. So until then, thank you.